Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. Today we will start a new chapter, that is describing words. So everyone open your grammar book at page number 19. Page number 19, describing words, chapter 5. Okay, chapter 5. So first of all, what is describing words? What is describing words? Here also you have to again remember what is noun. Okay, what is noun? Okay, the name of a person, place, animal or thing is called noun, right? Now I will tell you what is describing words. What are describing words or what is describing word? In a sentence, which word gives us a description about a noun or naming word is called describing word. Okay, in your book there has the definition in this box. Okay, describing words describe person, animals or birds, places or things. Okay, so which word describe a person, an animal or a bird or any places or any things are called describing word. Okay, so as example, I am giving an example to you. This is an old man. Okay, so here first of all you will say me which word is noun. Here in this sentence, which word is noun or which is a naming word? Can you say which is a naming word in this sentence? Very good, man. Right? Man is a naming word or noun. So here the word old gives us a description about man, isn't it? The word old is giving us a description about this man, right? That is why old is a describing word. Okay, so I am saying the definition again. Which word in a sentence, which word gives us a description about a noun or naming word is called describing word. Okay, understand? Another example I am giving you. The tea is hot. Now here, first you have to identify which is noun. In the sentence, which is noun. First of all, you have to identify that. So here, which word is noun? Which word is noun? Very good. Tea. Tea is a noun. Right? Tea is a noun. So now, here, the word hot is giving us a description, okay? A description about the tea. Means, how is the tea? The tea is very hot. So, the word hot is giving us a description about tea. That is why hot is a describing word. You have to memorize the spelling of describing word. Okay, memorize the spelling of describing word. Okay, very easy. D-E-S, describe. C-R-I, cribing. B-I-N-G, describing word. W-O-R-D. Okay, so these are the examples of describing word. Okay, so another example I am giving you. Third example, give me a red rose. So here again, which is noun? Which word is noun? Rose. Rose is a noun, right? Now here, which word is giving us the description about the rose? Which word? Very good, red. Red, the word red is giving us a description about the rose. That is why red is a describing word. I hope all of you have understand what is describing word. Okay. Now look at the box again. Describing words tell us about shapes, okay, sizes and colors. Okay, like in this example, we have seen this red. Red means a color. So describing words tell us about shapes, sizes and colors. They tell us about special qualities. Okay, they may also tell us how many there are. Okay, so describing word describing words tell us about the shape, sizes, colors, any special qualities, okay, or the numbers of the naming words or noun. Okay, all of these descriptions can give a describing words. Okay, a describing words can give all of these descriptions about a noun or naming word. Okay, fine. So students, these are the naming words. These are the describing words. So this is the chapter. I hope all of you have understand what is describing word. Now we have to solve the exercises from this chapter. But first of all, read the definition. Okay, read the definition and understand what is describing word. Okay, but no need to memorize. You have to read the definition so that you can understand it in a better way. That's why you have to read the definition from this box. Okay, read the 2 points here. Okay, if you read these 2 points, you can understand it easily. Okay, so first of all, you have to understand what is describing word, and then we will start to do some exercise on it. Okay, okay students, if you have any problems, any doubts regarding this chapter, you can ask me. Okay, okay students, stay safe, bye bye and thank you.